Louise, can you explain to us how the movement scientist, this academical stuff, makes contact with the most simple thing in life, which is to play, which seems to be without any science, and you brought the science back in.
Development through these simple games that we play or used to play and make it valuable, yeah. So what I've done is create some programs, and now we want to make it more formal, do some photography, see how photographers can capture that eye movement, for instance, in nature, and use that to explain in the programs what children can do, and then put the science behind that and give meaning to that movement, give it value. So it is quite easy to just play everyday games, but the big value for investors is also to know what is happening in the child and is it working, and that is the big science that I've developed is measuring play. So we can now take these stories or games and measure it every 6 months through the same activities and give you feedback on what is the impact that it had on the muscle and the brain development of the children doing the activities.
Okay, so what we're kicking off with, the bigger thing is that I'm going to facilitate photographers to video movement of the animals, and also the kids if they can in the Kgalagadi, because that's the one that we concentrate on. So I'm going to facilitate photographers to get involved with this so that we can help you, and then try and get donations on the platform so that we can, wherever there's monies needed, that we can help the Kgalagadi community, especially the preschool now.
Yes.
To help that. And to start off with, I'm going to take this and try and facilitate it in exercises or competitions. The photographers, the videographers to get involved with capturing the movement and not just the climax or the kill or so, number one. Number two is, I've told you which films to use from the Kgalagadi to see if you can use the animal movement into maybe creating new games or to stimulate or to facilitate or whatever it is. And then you're going to come back and tell us, to make it more easy to understand the photographers, how you've used it.
Yes.
Okay.
And in that way we want to help them in an easy implemented way.